welcome back to a new video. Yeah, this week's video will be a little bit different than my usual vlog videos because we are going to test Ohuhu markers. I'm so excited for it. These markers were on my Amazon wishlist for such a long time now, so I was super excited when Ohuhu reached out to me asking if I want to try the products. So you might already know this is a sponsored video, so thank you so much Ohuhu for sending me your pastel marker set and your 100 pieces water-based marker set. We are going to try both in this video. And these alcohol markers were actually the ones that I had on my wish list. These are the pastel colors. And yeah, I'm just looking so forward to test them out today. As you might already know when you're watching my videos, I'm a digital artist. So for the last couple of years I was only drawing on my iPad, besides things like drawing on shrink plastic or painting clay pins that I made at home or participating in Inktober. But this is also at least 2 years ago, but I was longing to start drawing traditional for a while now again. And since I found Olga Ortiz on Instagram and saw her amazing illustrations with markers, I knew that I wanted to give markers a try. So here we are now. I'm gonna quickly show you the Ohuhu markers and then we're going to start coloring the swatches and also some illustrations. The first set I got is the pastel alcohol marker set from the Honolulu series. There are 48 colors and the markers have a brush tip and a chisel tip. And there's also a colorless blender included in this set. And look at all these colors, aren't these beautiful? This is also the set that I wanted. So I'm very excited to draw with it. And then they also sent me their 100 color dual tip water-based markers. I mean, look how many these are. They have a brush tip and a fine liner tip. So these are perfect for journaling. Both sets come with a color swatch, and the alcohol markers also have this sheet included that you can put underneath your paper to prevent the colors to bleed through. And now let's swatch all of them. So I'm going to start with the alcohol-based markers, as these are the ones that I'm gonna try first. So yeah, let's swatch them. I'm so excited. So what I first want to try with the alcohol markers is coloring in my clear stamps that are now available in my shop, as you can make super cute greeting cards that way. And I also want to test coloring in a coloring page because I'm planning to create my very first coloring book soon. I have these watercolor paper postcards that I never used. And although I read that it's not the best idea to use alcohol markers on watercolor paper, as that paper absorbs the ink that much, I still want to use these postcards, so let's try that. So as you can see, the ink of my ink pad is not really working out with this paper. out one of my coloring sheets that you can get on my Patreon with lots of other printables. Look how cute it is, my signature fox. And we are going to color this one with the water-based markers. It was so much fun trying these. My favorites are definitely the alcohol-based markers because they blend much better than the water-based ones. The water-based ones are fine for coloring, but yeah, as you can see quite a lot of strokes. So I think these might work much better when you journal, when you like write with them, stuff like that. Or use the fine liner tip, that will also work perfectly. So I will definitely use the alcohol-based markers a lot from now on. It was just so much fun drawing with them in my sketchbook, and I think this will be from now on my favorite traditional medium, besides colored pencils of course. So I hope you enjoyed this little draw with me and test with me the Ohuhu Markers video. And I have linked Ohuhu down in the description box, and there's also a little discount code for you, so check it out. Thank you for watching. Bye!